Top 5 landing page best practices for B2B marketers. Need to build a high-converting landing page? Here are the top 5 landing page best practices that you should consider. 1. Omit the website menu. Remove all of the distractions and point the visitor's attention only to the things that will make them convert right here and right now. 2. Kill a word. The more straight to the point and less wordy your copy is, the higher the landing page conversion rate is. 3. Show your product or service in action. Add screenshots and use case examples to show the key benefits of your offering in a real-life context. 4. Match calls to action. The headlines and CTAs on your ads and landing pages should be closely matching for the visitors to maintain their engagement. 5. Reduce form friction. Lengthy and complicated lead capture forms are history thanks to data enrichment tools. Simply reduce the number of fields on the form. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and visit Marcom Robot Lead Zen blog for more B2B marketing and sales operations best practices.